In this module, we will solve the problems based on the Venn diagram. Let us solve the example 1.32. In a college, 240 students play cricket, 180 students play football, 164 students play hockey, 42 play cricket and football, 38 play football and hockey, and 40 play both the cricket and hockey. 16 students play all the three games. Then we should find the number of students in the college, the number of students who play only one game, if all the students participate at least one game. Let us form the sets. C denote those who are playing cricket, and F denote those who are playing football, H denoting those who are playing hockey. Then N of C equal to 240, N of F 180, N of H equal to 164 from the given, and C and F, that means those who are playing cricket and football is 42, those who are playing football and hockey 38, those who are playing cricket and hockey 40 students, those who are playing all the games 16. Then we can represent the given in the Venn diagram like this, and then we should calculate this part alone, that means cricket and football alone. This portion is nothing but cricket and football alone, and here this part football and hockey alone, and this cricket and hockey alone. How to do it? We should subtract the 16 from the 42, then we will get 26, and 38 minus 16 22, and 40 minus 16 24. So this 26 students representing those who are playing cricket and football only, and 22 students play football and hockey only, and 24 students play cricket and hockey only. Then come to that next calculation. We should add all 26 plus 16 24, and should subtract from the 240 to find those who are playing cricket alone, because this circle contains all these three values also. So we should eliminate this common region from the cricket, then we will get the person who play cricket only. Similarly, come to this circle, we should subtract all these three values from the F, then we will get the person who play football only. And here also the same calculation. From this hockey we should eliminate all the intersection portion, so we will get 174, 116 and 102. This 174 represent those who are playing cricket only, and 116 students those who are playing football only, and those who are playing hockey only, there are 102 students. So from the Venn diagram, what's the question? First one, the number of students in the college, that is we should add all the values, that is 174 plus 116 plus 102 plus 26 plus 22 plus 24 plus 16, because all this represent that portion alone. So we will get the value 480 students. and the number of students who play only one game, that is the person play cricket only is 174. The person who play football only 116 students. The person who play hockey only 102 students. So we need to add that three values only, then we will get 390. Suppose they will ask the question, the person who play cricket and football only 26. The person who play cricket and hockey only means 24. And the person who play football and hockey only 22. But here we don't have that question. If you have such question, we should write that from the Venn diagram. Thank you, students.